गोवा दिल्ली राजधानी एक्सप्रेस निमणे सुरू जाली। रेल्वे मंत्री सुरेश प्रभून आयतारा मडगांव दिल्ली राजधानी एक्सप्रेसीक बावटो दाखयलो। गोंयची राजधानी एक्सप्रेस 22वी। रेल्वे मंत्र्यान मडगांव रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर एस्केलेटराचें उक्तावण केलें। गोंय ते तिरुपती मेरेन रोखडीच रेल्वे सुरू करपाची घोशणा ताणें केल्या। रेल्वेचो वेव्हार पारदर्शक आसचो म्हूण सगळ्या कंत्राटां खातीर टेंडरिंग करपाचें रेल्वे मंत्रालयान थारायलां।
How can anybody say that Goa should not be linked to Tirupati? Because without that basing, nothing can happen. So we'll make sure that that link is also provided as soon as possible. We are already working on it. We are also working on ROB. In fact, this budget, I had said something like, if I am not mistaken, 7,000 to 8,000 ROBs in 1 year. We have started work on that. Hopefully, most of the 30,000 crores worth of purchases that railways make, they are already on the e-tendering platform. All work contract also, end of this year or earliest in the next early part of next year, everything will be on internet. So all contracts will be on e-tendering platform. We are trying to make sure that whole process of railways should be very transparent. All examinations which people used to give, there are a lot of complaints about wrongdoing. Now we have started online examination, and the idea will be all examinations should be conducted online.
आज ज्यो बऱ्यो गजाली गोंयांत दिसतात ताचे सगळें श्रेय मुक्त गोंयचो पयलो मुख्यमंत्री भाऊ बांदोडकाराक। बहुजनाक एकठांय दवरून ताणें राजकारणाक हाडले म्हणून रक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार उलयलो। पराक परबाच्या स्वतंत्र भारताच्या राजकारणांतली पयली क्रांती ह्या भाऊचेर बरयल्लें पुस्तक प्रकाशन सुवाळ्यांत तो उलयतालो। विज्ञानीक रघुनाथ माशेलकार आनी मुख्यमंत्री पार्सेकारांनी भाऊच्या कार्याचें व्हडपण सांगलें।
Without disturbing the pattern of the society, ताणें सगळ्यांक न्याय दिलो, कोणाचेर अन्याय जावपाक दिलो ना. दॅट इज ग्रेटनेस ऑफ दिस मॅन.
आणि मराठीमध्ये त्यांनी म्हटलं होतं, मला खूप शिक, खूप मोठा हो. शिक्षण हेच तुझं भविष्य, शिक्षण हे देशाचं भविष्य. अँड आय मस्ट टेल यू, आय एम एक्सट्रीमली इम्प्रेस्ड. इट्स एन एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी वेल रिसर्च बुक. So I think a society which does not respect teachers, does not acknowledge them, I think there are things to be sort of worried about. So I think this is something Bhausaheb was very keen on.
भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर हे गोयच्या राजकीय आणि सांस्कृतिक आणि शैक्षणिक क्षेत्रातले एक दीपस्तंभ असले.
In 1963, Goa led India's first democratic revolution, bringing lower caste to political power and showing that real improvements in the lives of the lower caste will come only through the pursuit of political power.
घेऊ एक विराम.